Do you toss and turn at night, staring at the ceiling, wondering why you can't fall asleep, even though you're completely exhausted? Well, you're not alone. According to research from Harvard Medical School, nearly 1 in 3 adults struggle with insomnia or poor quality sleep. And here's the real kicker. Poor sleep doesn't just make you groggy. It can harm your memory, weaken your immune system, increase stress hormones, and even raise your risk of heart disease. But here's the good news. Harvard researchers have discovered simple science-backed sleep hacks that can help you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up feeling truly refreshed. In this video, we're breaking down these powerful tips so you can reclaim your nights and your energy. Let's dive into Harvard's top sleep hacks that actually work. Number 1, stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Harvard's Division of Sleep Medicine emphasizes that one of the biggest mistakes people make is sleeping at random times. Your body runs on a circadian rhythm, an internal clock that thrives on consistency. When you sleep and wake at the same time every day, even on weekends, your brain learns when to release melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep. Pro tip: choose a bedtime you can realistically keep even on weekends. After a few weeks, you'll notice you're falling asleep faster without even trying. Number 2, keep your bedroom cool, around 65 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius. Temperature plays a huge role in sleep quality. Harvard researchers found that cooler environments signal your body that it's time to rest. When your body temperature drops slightly, it triggers sleepiness. Keeping your room between 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 to 19 degrees Celsius can help you enter deeper stages of sleep faster. Pro tip: if you can't cool the whole room, try using breathable bedding or a fan near your bed. Number 3, limit screen time at night. You've probably heard this one before, but Harvard studies show it's more important than most people think. The blue light from your phone, tablet, or TV suppresses melatonin production, tricking your brain into thinking it's daytime. This delays sleep and makes it harder to enter deep sleep cycles. Aim for at least 60 minutes of no screens before bed. If you must use your phone, switch on the night mode or use blue light blocking glasses. And remember, it's not just the light. Scrolling through social media or reading stressful news can also keep your mind active when it should be winding down. Instead, try replacing your late-night scrolling habit with a calming activity like reading a book or listening to relaxing music. Over time, your brain will start associating evenings with relaxation instead of stimulation. This small change can dramatically improve how quickly you fall asleep and how refreshed you feel in the morning. Number 4, use the wind-down hour. Harvard experts recommend what they call a wind-down ritual, a 30 to 60-minute period before bed where you prepare your mind and body for sleep. This could include reading a physical book, gentle stretching or yoga, deep breathing exercises, journaling to clear your mind. The goal is to signal your brain that it's time to relax, not solve the world's problems. Think of it as training your body for sleep, the same way an athlete warms up before a game. When you follow a consistent wind-down routine, your brain begins to associate those activities with sleep, making it easier to drift off naturally. Even dimming your lights during this time can reinforce the message that bedtime is approaching. Within a few weeks, you'll notice you feel drowsy right on schedule, without relying on sleeping pills or endless tossing and turning. Number 5, avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. Caffeine has a half-life of about 6 hours, which means if you drink coffee at 4 p.m., half of it is still in your system at 10 p.m. Harvard sleep research confirms that even small amounts of caffeine in the evening can reduce deep sleep and increase night awakenings. Pro tip: switch to herbal tea or decaf coffee after lunch. Number 6, exercise, but not too late. Harvard studies show that regular physical activity improves sleep quality and helps with insomnia. But timing matters. Exercise raises your body temperature, and it takes about 2 to 3 hours to cool down enough for sleep. Working out right before bed can leave you feeling energized instead of sleepy. Pro tip: schedule workouts in the morning or early afternoon for the best sleep benefits. Number 7, control light exposure. Your body's sleep-wake cycle is deeply influenced by light. Harvard researchers found that morning sunlight helps set your circadian rhythm, making it easier to fall asleep at night. On the flip side, bright artificial light in the evening can confuse your body clock. Get at least 20 minutes of morning sunlight daily. In the evening, dim your lights or use warm amber bulbs. If getting outside in the morning isn't possible, consider using a light therapy lamp to mimic natural sunlight. Likewise, in the evening, avoid overhead lighting and opt for softer lamps or candles to help signal to your body that nighttime is here. Number 8. Try the 4-7-8 breathing method. Developed by Dr. Andrew Weil and supported by Harvard's relaxation studies, the 4-7-8 breathing technique helps lower heart rate, reduce anxiety, and prepare the body for sleep. Here's how. Inhale quietly through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds. Repeat this 4 times. You'll feel noticeably calmer. Number 9. Reserve your bed for sleep. One of Harvard's key sleep recommendations is sleep association training. If you work, watch TV, or eat in bed, your brain stops associating the bed with sleep. Pro tip: use your bed only for sleep and intimacy. If you can't fall asleep within 20 minutes, get up, do something relaxing, then return when sleepy. Number 10. Watch your evening meals. Eating heavy, spicy, or acidic foods too close to bedtime can cause discomfort and heartburn, both of which disturb sleep. Harvard nutrition research suggests finishing dinner 2 to 3 hours before bed. If you're hungry at night, opt for a light snack like a banana, yogurt, or a handful of nuts, foods that promote melatonin production. Number 11. Use relaxation techniques. Harvard researchers have found that mindfulness meditation can significantly improve sleep quality, especially for people with insomnia. Meditation, progressive muscle relaxation, and guided imagery all help reduce overactive thinking, one of the main culprits behind sleeplessness. Pro tip: try a guided meditation app for 10 minutes before bed. Number 12. Keep sleep debt in check. It's tempting to think you can catch up on sleep during weekends, but Harvard experts warn that inconsistent patterns still disrupt your circadian rhythm. The best solution is to avoid building up a big sleep debt in the first place. Pro tip: if you must nap, keep it under 30 minutes and before 3 p.m. Sleep smarter, live better. Sleep is not a luxury, it's a biological necessity. And as Harvard research shows, improving your sleep can sharpen your mind, boost your mood, and protect your health for years to come. You don't have to apply all these hacks at once. Start with 1 or 2 and build from there. Over time, your nights will transform, and so will your days. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button, share this with someone who needs better sleep, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Sweet dreams, and I'll see you in the next video.